Welcome to Lusk, Learn Unknown, Share Known. In this video, we are going to watch how to join in Merchant Navy and how to get job and what to study to join in Merchant Navy. Let's go to the video. So before going into the video, I request you, if you are missing your family and friends too much, do not join Marine because you used to be sailing around 6 to 8 months in initial period of time. In the video, I will let you know the basic things of shipping industry. There are 3 departments in a ship: deck department, engine department and catering department. And catering department also comes under deck department. So there are 2 departments, major departments are deck and engine department. Let's see about deck department first. Work culture of deck department is they have to carry out the navigation of the ship and where to go, how to go, at what speed, everything they have to do. They are responsible and they are responsible for supervising the cargo system, which are loading and discharging both together, and maintaining the hull structure and deck structures and monitoring the stability of the ship and mooring operations. Mooring operation is nothing but when the ship enters a port, there will be operation called mooring operations. This is just basic idea I am just giving. Just not need to go in detail. Next, what are ranks are there in deck department? First, captain. Captain is overall in charge of a ship. Not only deck department, he is in charge of all departments. And his salary will be around $12,000 to $14,000 in Indian money. That's around 9 lakh to 11 lakh rupees per month he used to get. Next, chief mate, otherwise called chief officer. His salary will be around $8,000 to $10,000 per month. That is 6 lakh to 7.5 lakhs per month in Indian rupees. Next is second officer. Second officer salary is $3,000 to $4,500. That is 2 lakhs to 3.5 lakhs approximately. Company to company, these salaries will be varying. Next, third officer. Third officer gets around $2,000 to $3,000. That is 1.5 lakhs to 2.5 lakhs in Indian money. Next, deck cadet. Deck cadet is nothing but trainee for the deck. Trainee. He gets around $300 to $500. That is 20 to 40,000 rupees. Next is bosun. Bosun is nothing but head of the crew. I mean not officers, who is head of the crew department. And his salary will be around $1,500 to $2,500. And in Indian money, it's around 1 lakh to 2 lakh rupees. Next, AB seaman. AB seaman is nothing but who catches the steering. And he is also responsible for the mooring operations also. And his salary will be around $1,000 to $2,000. That is 75,000 to 1.5 lakhs rupees. And normally a ship has 3 to 4 AB seamen. Next, ordinary seaman. Ordinary seaman salary will be starting from $500 to $1,000. According to experience, salary may increase. His salary is in Indian money around 40,000 to 75,000 rupees. Next, we coming to engine department. Engine department work culture. They are responsible for operation, maintenance and repair for the engines and other machineries, because there are lots of machinery in a ship. They are responsible for entire machineries and the maintenance of those machineries, including navigation equipments. And their ranks. There are many ranks in engine department too, because engine department, head of the engine department is chief engineer officer. He is also equal to captain, but captain is overall in charge. Chief engineer is in charge in engine room, and his salary will be around $12,000 to $14,000. That is equal to captain. Almost their salary will be equal. That is 9 lakh to 11 lakh. Next is second engineer officer. His salary will be $8,000 to $10,000. That is 6 to 7.5 lakhs. Next coming is third engineer officer. His salary will be $3,000 to $4,500. That is 2 lakhs to 3.5 lakhs. Next is 4th engineer officer. His salary will be $2,000 to $3,000. That is 1,50,000 to 2.5 lakhs approximately. Next coming is electrotechnical officer. He is common for both deck and engine department. This rank is introduced recently only, like few years before only this rank has entered the shipping industry. His salary will be $4,000 to $6,500 according to his experience. Around 3 lakh to 5 lakhs he will get per month. Next is engine cadet, that is engine trainee. He will get around $300 to $500. Next is fitter. He is also an important person in a ship, and his salary will be around $1,500 to $2,500. Next is coming oiler. There will be 2 to 3 oilers in a ship according to the company. His salary will be around $1,000 to $2,000. That is 75,000 to 1.5 lakhs. So we have seen the engine department and deck department. Let us see catering department and what work they do. They are responsible for the cleanliness of accommodation block. That is, all the accommodation they have to keep neat and clean and tidy. Next, they are responsible to cook for the entire crew members. Then their ranks are chief cook, whose salary will be around $1,500 to $2,000. That is 1 lakh to 2 lakh according to the company. Next, one more guy will be there who is called general steward. His salary will be $1,000 to $1,500. That is 75,000 to 1.2 lakhs around. Only 2 people will be there. Maybe some other company have 2 or 3 more. But basically all company has only 2 people in catering department. These are the departments and their ranks and their salary. In next video, I will tell how to join a course, how to join a ship, and what course you should do. Those videos I will share in next video. Thank you for watching. LUSK, learn unknown, share known.